Let's imagine you're responsible for all communication technology at your workplace. You do your homework and understand you need a list of things. Faster internet, a disaster recovery plan, a cloud application solution, a unified communication solution to allow internal communications to happen seamlessly on any device, a call center platform that supports phone, text, chat, or email, an advanced cybersecurity solution to protect your data and customer information. And that's just to name a few. At this point, you have two paths you could take. Let's examine with the old way. You start with the first item on your list and research internet providers in your area. You come up with a list of 6 options and call each one. On each call, that direct sales rep is selling you on how perfect their internet solution will be, and even tries to sell you every available widget they offer, even though you don't see the need. Every call is frustrating and leaves you feeling like each salesperson is just trying to meet their sales quotas. But you start the process for obtaining quotes for each one. That was only the first item on your list. You still have to repeat that process for at least 6 other needs, all of which are much more complicated than just buying internet. Okay, let's back up. Let's look at the better path you could take. You search this time for an information technology consultant and find an expert that is vendor agnostic. Finally, you can talk to someone with hands-on experience that is only interested in your business outcomes, rather than being motivated by sales quotas. You are pleased to learn that in one meeting, your new consultant has helped you uncover all your technology needs by looking at what it is your business is really trying to accomplish and prioritizes each need. Not only that, your new consultant is an authorized reseller of over 200 vendors, thanks to their affiliation with a large and reliable distributor. And while they care deeply about finding you the best solutions to fit your needs and budget, they remain truly neutral on which vendors are chosen because they get paid either way. It is free to you, no matter how much you lean on them. It's like adding another full-time employee without all the associated costs. Now you need buying consensus from all the stakeholders and department heads at your company. Your consultant sits with you and makes you the hero as you collect buy-in from around your company to proceed. He seems to have access to so many tools that do things you thought weren't possible. All that happiness starts to disappear as you realize that was only the first step. Now all of these new vendor solutions need to be project managed and rolled out to your company. You guessed it. Your tech consultant isn't just there for pre-sales support. You can call upon your consultant for a project management team that has successfully implemented hundreds of similar projects before. The better path is an obvious choice. Work with a no-cost, vendor-agnostic digital technology expert like us to guide you through this important responsibility you carry. We can do the heavy lifting, you can be the hero.